Imagine typing out a simple idea and watching a fully realized, hyper-realistic video unfold in seconds. No cameras, no actors, no film crew. Just your imagination and an AI powerful enough to bring it to life. This isn't a distant dream anymore. This is what Google's Veo 3.1 is starting to make possible. Today, we're diving deep into Google's latest Veo 3.1 update, part of their Flow platform, and why it might be one of the biggest shifts in video creation we've ever seen. We'll break down what Veo 3.1 is, what new features it brings, how it compares to previous versions, where the limitations lie, and most importantly, what this means for creators like us. By the end, you'll understand why filmmakers, marketers, and even solo YouTubers are paying close attention to this release. Before we jump into what's new, let's get some context. Google's Flow is essentially an AI-powered filmmaking studio. It lets users generate and edit videos through prompts, reference images, and other creative inputs. You don't need expensive equipment or a team, just a vision. The core intelligence behind Flow is Veo, a family of AI video models designed to understand natural language, interpret visual cues, and generate coherent, realistic motion. Think of Flow as your virtual set, and Veo as the director and VFX artist rolled into one. Earlier versions of Veo were impressive, but they had clear limits. Prompt adherence wasn't always reliable, scene extensions felt a bit rough, and audio integration was limited. Veo 3.1 aims to change that. In short, this update focuses on realism, control, and creative flexibility. Google has introduced a series of upgrades that take the model from cool demo territory to something that feels like a real creative tool. One of the most exciting upgrades is full audio integration. Previously, Flow's audio capabilities were limited. With Veo 3.1, the platform now supports rich, generated audio across all major creation modes, including ingredients to video, frames to video, and extend. This means when you generate a scene, you don't just get silent footage, you get synchronized soundscapes that make the scene feel alive, whether that's city ambience, footsteps, or cinematic music cues. Another major feature is insert and remove. This allows creators to surgically edit their videos with remarkable precision. Imagine you've generated a bustling marketplace scene, but you want to add a drone hovering in the sky or remove a distracting sign in the background. With Veo 3.1, you can insert new elements or remove unwanted ones, and the AI automatically reconstructs the lighting, shadows, and surrounding details to make everything blend naturally. It's like Photoshop for video, but without needing to mask and track objects frame by frame. Google isn't keeping Veo 3.1 locked behind a closed interface either. It's being made available through the Gemini API for developers and through Vertex AI for enterprise users. This means studios, app developers, and production teams can start building their own tools and workflows on top of Veo. Imagine video editing platforms that integrate Veo natively, or mobile apps that let anyone generate cinematic shots on the go. For creators, this could mean an explosion of third-party tools and plugins built around Veo's capabilities. Think of what happened when Stable Diffusion went open source. We saw a wave of innovation almost overnight. Veo 3.1 could spark something similar in the video space. All of this might sound like a cool tech upgrade, but the real story is the impact. Veo 3.1 could change the economics of filmmaking. Indie creators could produce short films with zero crew. Marketers could generate entire campaigns without expensive shoots. Educators could create engaging visual content in hours instead of weeks. Even major studios could use Veo to rapidly prototype storyboards and pre-visualizations before investing in physical shoots. The line between idea and execution is shrinking. The barrier to entry for high-quality video production is dropping fast. This democratization of filmmaking power could lead to a creative boom, where more people than ever can tell stories visually. Alright, let me quickly show you how to get started inside Flow with Veo 3.1. First, click on New Project. That'll open up this dashboard. Right here in the center, you'll see the main Scene Builder panel. This is where your generated video will appear as it processes. At the bottom, you've got the text to video box. This is where you type your prompt. For example, here I wrote a slow motion shot of a futuristic electric car driving through the city at night, rain reflections on the road, cinematic lighting, dynamic camera movement. Once you hit generate, Veo 3.1 starts working on your scene, and you'll see the progress bar like this one in the middle. On the right side of that box, there's the model selector. In this case, I've chosen Veo 3.1, fast perfect for quick previews. Up top, you can rename your project and keep track of your timeline, and on the right, you have tools to switch between different layouts or search for clips if you're building something bigger. Basically, this is your creative hub. Prompt at the bottom, preview in the middle, tools on the sides. It's super clean and designed for fast iteration. If you found this deep dive helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to IdeaPlex for more breakdowns on cutting-edge creative tech, and share this video with someone who needs to see where filmmaking is heading. The future of video is here, and it's being written by AI. I'll see you in the next one.